Hello students. Our next topic is payment in e-commerce and m-commerce. It means if you want to purchase anything, if you want to do online shopping, then you can do it. But how can you payment for it? If you want to payment for your shopping, then how can you payment it? Then you have uh, various modes to payment through e-commerce or m-commerce. First is payment card. Payment card. In payment card you can see different cards. First is credit card, debit card, smart card and chart card. Debit card, credit card, smart card and chart card, all cards are considered as a payment card. Payment card, can you see the word payment card? It means what? If you want to pay by using this payment card, you can do it. First is credit card and issues the card by issuing bank. Credit card issue by issuing bank. It means what? If I want to do online shopping but I have no money, તો હું કેવી રીતે શોપિંગ કરી શકું? then how can I purchase online if I don't have any money? I can do it by using credit card. Clear? I can do it by using credit card. A credit card issues by the issuing bank credit card issue કરે અને મર્ચન્ટ છે ને, જે ઓનર વેપારી, તેને ગેરંટી આપે કે આ કસ્ટમર પૈસા ચૂકવી દેશે by using credit card. Clear? Next is debit card. Next is smart card and charge card. Smart card, microchip embedded in their surface. Smart card હોય ને તેના surface ઉપર microchip હોય. Micro એટલે એકદમ નાની. Microchip is embedded in their surface is known as smart card. Clear? So your first category is payment card. In payment card you can payment through credit card, debit card, smart card and charge card. Clear? Smart card કેવી રીતે આઈડેન્ટિફાય થાય? તો માઇક્રોચિપ હોય એના સરફેસ પર. It is known as smart card. Next is net banking. Second option, that is net banking. You can do all banking transaction by using net banking. Clear? If you want to do banking transaction by using internet online, then you can do it by using net banking. Clear? You can use website for net banking is www.denabank.in. Why in? Because this bank is used in India. Second is bob.in, bankofbaroda.in. So you can do banking transaction by using this website and it is known as net banking. Clear? Third option, that is EFT. E means electronic, F means fund and T means transfer. If you want to transfer your money from one account to another account, then you can do it by using EFT, that is electronic fund transfer. Clear? For example, Google Pay, for example Paytm. If I want to transfer some money from my account to any someone account, then I can do it by using EFT, electronic fund transfer. I want to fund transfer from one account to another account by using internet, then it is known as electronic fund transfer, that is EFT. Clear? Next is e-wallet and fifth is RuPay. E-wallet and RuPay, all these are the different payment system you can do in e-commerce and m-commerce. Clear? And another option is COD. You can do cash on delivery also. Clear? So it is the last topic of m-commerce, that is payment in e-commerce and m-commerce. You can do it in e-commerce and m-commerce. Clear?